Want to know where you can find all of your saved videos on YouTube? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can find your saved videos. First of all, open the YouTube app. Make sure to log into your account. Now go ahead and open any video that you want to save. Then swipe and find the option of save, tap on that. Now here it says it has been saved to recent playlist, which is watch later. So if you want to find all the videos that you have saved, tap on the U option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here you will find the option of playlist. Here tap on the watch later option. All of these videos are the one that you saved. You can also tap on the view all option over here and you should find them all over here. If you want to put your saved videos in a different playlist, you can simply create a new one. Tap on create a new playlist, then name this playlist, tap on create. Now go ahead and open up any video. Now swipe and tap on save. Now here tap on change. Now select the playlist that you just created and tap on done. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.